Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are installing some LEDs on the back of the Harley, the Sportster, of course. And I got these on Amazon. If you guys see my video, I did the front ones. Same brand, Nthree or Nthree Auto. So these are the I believe the 1157s, and that's running and brake. If you get the 1156, I believe that's just signal lights. So I mean, yeah, just blinking. You don't have running lights. So they come with a smoked lens. That's pretty cool. That's what I wanted. And of course, these are the little lights right here. They look exactly like the ones in the front. And you have, just in case if you have a hyper flash, they have these little relays also included. So let's go ahead and take off these stock ones. Just like the front ones, you look for the little slot here. You just kind of put that, you put your flathead in there, and then you just give it a little bit of a turn, and then, you know, that pops out. So let's go ahead and, let's see, pull this. All right, here, let me use both hands. All right, so that pulls out just like that. That's the fluid there for your contacts. Let's go ahead and pull out one of them. Do the same thing. Just rub off some of that Diso, or what is this called? Dielectric grease or something along those lines. So yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, you don't need this if you don't have it. It's fine without it. So let's go ahead and locate the one on the inside. Looks like, is that the one? That looks a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see that. So this one looks like it's a little bit further down, and this other one's a little bit higher, so look for that. Of course, there's a little locking right here. That's the one that's further down, and so we're just gonna go ahead and slide that in there like so, and then turn it, and then that's it. That's already installed. And then you could always, you know, give this a couple turns and just to get it to fit a little bit easier. That way you're not messing with the cables too much. So let's go ahead and use the new smoked lens here. And by turning it, of course, you guys can see how this, you see how you just give it a little bit of a turn. It just makes it easier. That way you're not trying to, you know, do all this sort of jazz here, trying to do that. You just give it a couple turns like that, and then just pop that new lens in there, and then that's it. You're done. That's an easy install. You guys want to see what she looks like? Let me turn the bike on. All right, so there's a difference. You guys can see this is a smoked lens, of course. So if you wanted them a little bit brighter, you would just put the red one on there. So LED, pretty bright, a lot better than your old ones. And of course, if you hit the brake, then all the ones in the inside turn on. Let's see if I could get that on film. All right, and that's how it turns on. So that's pretty much it. You guys can see that. I wish the ones on the outside would also, you know, stay bright red, but yeah, so that's it. We're gonna change the other ones. All right, so if you guys are having trouble you know, installing the light, just go ahead and grab your flathead, the same one you used to remove the lens. Make sure you look at those little locking pins. This one is on the opposite side, so the further one that's a little bit deeper into the socket is, I don't know, you guys can probably not see it, but it's on this side. So just, you know, make sure you guys check that out. And if you're having trouble, you know, seating it all the way in there and then turning it, you could just grab your flathead, shove that in there, and then give it a turn just like that. And then that's pretty much it. So this is the other side. We're just gonna give this, just like the other one, a couple turns, seat it in there, grab the lens, make sure it pops, and that's it. There you have it. Quick little install. Now you're a little bit more visible. So thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys could, stay tuned for the follow-up. Stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.